What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing great. My name's Dom. I'm the integration guy, and today we're going to be talking about how to integrate Clickfunnels and AliExpress. Clickfunnels is obviously one of the most popular sales tool to sell products, but the problem is it's kind of complicated to set up an AliExpress integration because they don't natively support physical product sellers that well. It's really designed for digital products, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get this set up today. So this is going to be in my opinion, the simplest and most efficient workflow for connecting these applications for a number of reasons. I'll keep this as short as possible, but let's jump right in. So if you're using these two tools, I'm going to assume you're using Shopify as well. That's the most popular tool that people use when they're using these applications. So I'm assuming you guys are using Shopify, and this is what I've seen most common. In my opinion, you should be using this to manage orders and manage the business at a higher level because ClickFunnels, like I said, doesn't really support physical product sellers that well, but it's a much better tool for selling. So I'm going to assume this is the workflow. This is what I've seen the most common. And this is the first step to getting these applications integrated. The second step you're going to want to use is a tool called shopfunnel.io. And this is the simplest way to get these orders into your favorite applications. And so what the workflow is going to look like is this 4-step process right here. So what you need to do is connect ClickFunnels to shopfunnel.io, and this will automatically integrate everything else for you. So all you need to actually set up is this integration here, ClickFunnels to shopfunnel.io. And shopfunnel.io, what it'll do for you is automatically push your orders to Shopify and automatically push your orders to AliExpress. And the reasons I like this workflow in particular is because, one, all of your orders end up centrally located in Shopify, which in my opinion is best for physical product sellers. The second thing I like about this is that it's actually really easy to set up. You only need to connect ClickFunnels and ShopFunnel. Once you get those two applications talking, they're going to do everything else for you. They're going to push the orders to Shopify and they're going to push the orders to AliExpress. So there's no other integration needed. It's also very flexible. So if you have other tools outside of AliExpress, maybe you're using Oberlo or maybe you're using other tools, ShopFunnel is kind of the middleman to get all of your applications working and properly and synced properly. And you don't need to set up anything else. It's set up once and automated forever. And it works with every other tool, which is my last point here, why I like it so much. All of your other Shopify tools work, like analytics, you can see customer lifetime value, all of these advanced tools that you probably use already will continue to work if you use shopfunnel.io to integrate these applications. So that's my favorite workflow. If you want to get started, there's a link below. You're going to need to sign up for shopfunnel.io, but it's free to get started. And there's more resources below this video on how to integrate these applications. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and good luck out there.